Hey, high levelers, Rayo Daniel here. In 2025, I've recently decided to open up my YouTube channel to memberships because I've seen a lot of need for people that visit and watch my YouTube channels to be able to have maybe a little bit closer access to me, to be able to get questions and answers done without necessarily having to join a formal membership or coaching program. So right now, what I'm doing is again opening this up to memberships. It is $2.99 a month, really $3 a month. And what I'm going to be doing is providing private content to my members behind the scenes that just you will have access to. Only my members will have access to my lives going forward to be able to ask me questions. Everybody else will just be able to watch it. And you'll also get some additional benefits, shout outs, and things like that behind the scenes as well. But it's really just a way of supporting me and my business so I can continue to keep generating more content for you. So if you're interested, please join. There is going to be a lot of great value, much more than just $3 a month for the membership. I look forward to it. Bye bye.